Hey YouTube, it's your girl Style by Shay. Thanks for tuning in today. So today we are doing a birthday do-it-yourself home photo shoot. So you're gonna see me get Arabella ready for her 2-year-old birthday photo shoot. I'm gonna do the photo shoot here, and you're just gonna see start to finish from me doing her hair. It's already freshly washed. I like to do her hair when it's wet. So you'll see from me doing her hair to me getting her ready, from me setting up with the decorations and everything, and then me getting her ready for the actual photo shoot. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. So really quick, I just want to show you guys the supplies. So this is where I keep her beads, comb, brush, hair ties, barrettes. I'll be using the As I Am Born Curly leave-in conditioner, just for me detangling spray for natural hair, and just for me also leave-in butter. Hi. Hi. Can you show me your hair? Stand up.
Look at my rabbit.
Turn around.
I just get rabbit hair.
Do a spin. Do a princess spin.
With my business.
Okay, so this is the final product. It might not look like much now, but when you wait to the end of the video, you'll see how good the pictures look. They look pretty decent. Now, this is before the photo shoot. I just wanted you guys to see the difficulty that I had with her, like trying to get her to cooperate with me and to do what I was asking her to do. This is just a little bit of fun that we were having prior to the pictures. You'll hear her brother singing to her in the background and her dancing a little bit. And then after this, you'll see the pictures.
Ooh, are you a ballerina?
This dress that you see
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm was one little girl, and she kept spinning around with a toot here and a toot there, everywhere toot,
and it just
something toot.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Arabella. Happy birthday to you. All right, guys, so these are a few of the pictures that I've taken today. If you're interested in seeing the rest, go ahead to my Instagram page and follow me. I hope that I inspired you guys today. I really did save a lot of money doing this myself. The outfit and the decorations, I ordered everything from Amazon, got it within 1 to 2 days. So I'm really satisfied with the products that I ordered and that I received. I think the pictures turned out great. I am going to print them on my HP printer, photo printer, and I am going to frame them and I'm going to hang them up on my wall. I'm going to take one to work to put on my desk. She had a really great time. I don't even think a professional will be able to get her to smile and to know, show her true personality the way I was able to. So again, hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see the future videos with me and Arabella. Bye.